The threat of tropical weather, the Red Cross is getting ready for anything those systems might bring. Chris Welty continues our team coverage in Lafayette tonight. Chris.
The Red Cross is continuing to monitor forecast tracks and planning for the worst case scenario. Organizers say, though, they're prepared for whatever might come our way.
In these events where we're not really sure how strong it's going to be, where it'll make landfall, or even where the impacts are going to be on different sides of the storm, that allows us to stage our supplies where they're easily accessible, to ready our volunteers.
Stephanie Wagner, the Regional Director of Communications and Marketing for the Red Cross, says they're ready should Louisiana or our neighboring states be impacted by tropical weather.
These boxes.
Though a lot of supplies are ready to go following the threat of Cristobal earlier this year, volunteers are still working hard today.
And they're also putting together our supplies for the relief operation if the worst case scenario does happen and we do have a landfall here in Louisiana.
Amid COVID, relief efforts will look a little different on the ground.
We can do casework and serve communities after a disaster through a virtual environment. We can provide them with health and mental health services virtually as well. But we will have a contingency of volunteers that are on the ground.
The Red Cross is trying to utilize local volunteers because of the pandemic, but if there is an overwhelming need, they'll bring people in. The Red Cross says preparing for a storm doesn't have to be complicated. It's important, though, to make sure you have a game plan now, make a preparation kit, and stay informed. If you would like to volunteer or donate to the Red Cross, we have details on our website, KATC.com. In Lafayette, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.
Many families rely on sandbags to keep their